Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Jeremy B. Tolentino, and I'm going to read a poem by T.S. Watt. I take it you already know of tough and bow and cough and dough. Others may stumble, but not you. On hiccough, thorough, laugh, and true. Well done, and now you wish perhaps to learn of less familiar traps. Beware of herd, a dreadful word that looks like beard and sounds like bird. And dead, it says like bed, not bid. For goodness sake, don't call it did. Watch out for meat and great and threat. They rhyme with sweet and straight and death. A moth is not a moth in mother, nor bought in bother, brought in brother, and here is not a match for there, and dear and fear for bear and pair. And then there's those and rows and loose. Just look them up and goose and choose. And cork and work and card and word and font and front and word and sword and do and go then thwart and cart. Come, I've hardly made I start. A dreadful language, man alive. I'd mastered it when I was 5.